want to build your own website? Step 1. Download WordPress. It's free, powerful, and used by over 40% of the web. So let's get started. WordPress is an open source platform that lets you create any kind of website without needing to code. And yes, downloading it is super easy. So to get started, head over to wordpress.org/download. And then from here, you'll be able to find this download and install it yourself section. So simply click on download WordPress 6.8.2. So if you want to read the installation guide, you can go ahead and read that to be able to check on how you can actually set it up on your device. So once it starts downloading, you'll be able to find that installing or downloading file section at the top right of your screen. So once it's downloaded into your device, go ahead and open this on the downloads folder. Now on the downloads folder, right click on the zip file and then click on extract file. So make sure to extract the files and you'll see the core WordPress files ready to be installed. So if you want to test WordPress on your computer before going live, install it locally using tools like XAMPP. Once the files are in place, visit your domain and complete the setup. Choose a site title, username, and password. And that's it. You've downloaded and installed WordPress. Now go build something amazing. Like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and let me know what tutorial you want next.